In today's quick video, let's talk about phosphatidylserine. Let's dive in. Phosphatidylserine is a phospholipid that is synthesized in the body and generally found in our cell membrane layers. And it's often found in high qualities in the brain, especially in our myelin sheaths, so the covering that goes around our neurons, which leads to its use in a lot of things surrounding cognitive or nervous system implications. Now, with this one, dosages vary. In the studies I've seen it used safely in dosages up to around 600 milligrams daily, and that was in a study done for about 6 months. And again, work with your provider to figure out what the proper dosage and duration is going to be for you. I've even seen this one used in children in some studies, obviously at lower dosage and generally a shorter time frame. Now, generally the body is synthesizing or making its own phosphatidylserine, but it can also be found in our diet as well, usually in small quantities, generally from most types of food. There is more research happening in using phosphatidylserine for its anti-stress effects, and we think what is happening is that it can actually help to blunt or decrease the rise in cortisol. Cortisol being our stress hormone that makes us kind of crazy when we get stressed out. Phosphatidylserine is also now being researched more for its cognitive and neurological effects. So it's being researched in things like Alzheimer's and ways to increase our cognitive function. So things like our memory and our concentration as well. And in some studies, it has been shown to increase other neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, norepinephrine, and even acetylcholine. So interesting research into this lipid, and it'll be interesting to see how the research continues. Generally, this supplement is well tolerated with side effects maybe including things like gas and bloating or maybe headache or actually insomnia. So how do I use this one? I tend to use it in clients who are suffering from brain fog, what they need help with their cognition to be able to better think, and maybe are feeling a little bit anxious as well. I tend to use it in combination with things like GABA or even L-theanine. I even have found it in some sleep formulas that I use. It's a very versatile type of supplement. Let me know if you have tried phosphatidylserine and what the results were. And if you enjoyed this video, you might want to check out this one. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.